All right, here's our second topic in Unit 10 on impacts on data. This is your mild video. In this video, we're going to look at what happens if we add or remove data to our already established data set. We're going to be in this upper right-hand corner of our note sheet. If you've got it, that's where you're going to want to write your worked examples. If you run out of room, there's space on the back. Just make sure you label it so you know what you're looking at. So in a nutshell, this entire skill deals with what happens when we add or remove a data point from our data set. So here we have a set of 8 numbers. We are asked what the range, how would the range change if the number 18 replaced the number 70 in the data set? So first things first, we need to know what the range is for the original. So let's do that. So original, our original smallest values and biggest values are 99 and 48. So 99 minus 48, which is a total of 51. So the range for that data set is 51. For our new data set, where we cross off 70 and put 18, well, now 18 is our lowest number, and 99 is still the top number, so 99 minus 18, which would be 81. So our range increases by 30 if we replace the 70 with an 18. In our second example, we're asked how much the mean would increase if the number 9 were added to the data set. So we start off with this set of 5, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1. We find our original mean, which if I add those all together is 15. I divide by 5 because that's how many point numbers we have. That gives me a mean of 3. In my new set, I now add the number 9 in there. So I have a new total of 24. And I'm going to divide by 6 this time because I now have 6 numbers, which would give me an answer of 4. So my mean increases by 1 because it went from 3 to 4. In our third example, we're asked which value would change the most if the number 19 replaced one of the 13s in the set. So they're asking which of our mean, median, and range would change the most. So I'm going to set up a little table here so help us keep track a little bit. So we've got mean, median, range. Going to give a little space in between there. I've got my original, and I've got my new. All right, so for the original, if I add all those numbers together, I get 228, and there are 6 numbers, and that gives me a mean of 38. The median, if I put them in order, I've got 13, 13, 19, 47, 59, and 77. I have 2 middle numbers. So I add those together and divide by 2, which gave me a median of 33. Our range, our top number is 77. We subtract off 13, which gives us a range of 64. All right, so now we take out the 13 and change it to a 19. We have to do the new mean with the 19 instead of the 13. So my new total is 234. And I divide by 6 again because I still have 6 numbers. That gives me a new mean of 39. Okay, so notice that it went from 38 to 39 with the 19 in there. For the new median, I now have 13, 19, 19, 47, 59, and 77. So once again, 2 middle numbers. Add them together, divide by 2. That gives me a median of 33. So this doesn't change. And our range, we still have 77 as the top number. 13 is the smallest number, which gives me a range of 64 again. So this one doesn't change. So my mean changes the most. Now, you're going to go on to IXL for these CYUs. You're going to look up 9UP on IXL. You want to get a mastery score of 80 before you show me and get the skill crossed off.